You're looking for a sales job with commission, and I'm going to show you something even better. So let's get right into it. So the Home Business Academy is a commission-based affiliate program, whereas you buy the resale rights to their products, they give you the sales pages, they give you the training, and you're off to the races, meaning every single week you start making commissions. The following week, you're going to get paid weekly. They cover the processing of the products and all the support. So they have 4 different products. I promote the first 3. They have a personal development app, a website builder, premium traffic and conversions for business owners offline and online who want to get more leads and sales, and they have financial literacy. So this is not like we're going to find the average Joe and saying, hey, you need this. No, we're finding the people who, want a personal development app, want a website builder, want more leads and traffic, or someone that wants to make money online like you. You're looking for a commission-based business or job, whatever you want to call it. We go to the traffic using social media, long-form content, and that's what's in here. Most importantly, like I said, one of their core products that you must have to, even offer any of their other products is the funnel builder. So I have multiple websites with all my businesses running for me 24/7. All these individual funnels are running on my links page. So when I'm getting traffic, I put people to my link page, and whatever I spoke about in that video, they're going to see the correlation and go and purchase. We just had a personal development purchase last night at 2 a.m. You just never know. And like I said, you're paid weekly in this company. Most importantly, if you ever want to get in business, you're going to have everything that you need in place. Plus, if we scroll over to the training, let's go to premium traffic and conversions. You have everything you need from traffic, all the main platforms, paid traffic. We do coaching 7 days a week, and we show what people are doing online. You might be a person, like I was asked to speak today because, I'm getting sales already. So they want to see what I'm doing. You have more training. You have another side hustle mixed in Amazon influencer profits, which a lot of people don't know about this. So it's a very close-knit community. It's not like one of these big major gurus that you're seeing all over the internet talking about how to make money. I mean, literally, you get in here, start implementing, and then working with me, someone who's been doing this since 2014. Oh my gosh, it's gonna blow your intelligence when you see how simple it is to make money. And this is where I would start. I wouldn't go get something that's going to add on to the stress and not even probably get you to the income goal. Let's get to the income goal. You have the potential in this program. Let's do it. If I haven't done it already, let's break it down one more time. 80% commissions. So $10 a month for this app pays $8. $25 a month for this, it pays $20. And these are recurring. $125 for this product, and it pays $100. $1,000 for this product, and it pays $400. This is a one-time product. So imagine 80 customers and you're making 5 figures. And if you add this commissions in there, you're making a little bit over that. So listen, this is an awesome commission-based job to start with. This is where I would start in 2024, guys. You're going to learn everything you need to know. So don't think that you're not going to have the knowledge. I'm going to show you how to piece together every single thing, software-based, accessories, and really be dominant in your field as a new person. Everything will be in the description. Make sure you hit that subscribe for more videos like this.